Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video we're going to be talking about the Veto Tech MCT Evo bag that I recently picked up, and it wasn't long ago that I had a video on the MP1 Evo pouch. Owned a lot of MP pouches over the course of time, so I talked about in that video how we got from the original to this Evo, what's the differences, and I'm going to do the same thing in this video because I've owned every single Tech MCT that Veto has offered, and the only one I still don't own now currently is the original one because I gave that to a friend. But I've still got the Tech MCT Blackout, the Tech MCTP Infrared, and now I've got the Tech MCT Evo. And I've also told a lot of people that ask me questions, if you could buy one Veto bag, what would you buy? This is the best. If I could only have one bag, in my opinion, the Tech MCT is the one for me. Again, not for everybody, but the one for me. But I'm going to go over the differences between the MCT Evo version along with the Blackout and the MCTP. That way, if you're kind of in between these bags, and it's primarily just on the outside, the insides of all three of these bags exactly the same. You get the same like V-swap panels. You got the same pouches on the flaps. It's pretty much the same interior. It's the exterior where the differences are. That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So it's going to be hard to keep all three of these in frame, especially whenever I turn them face-wise, but I'm going to try my hardest. And again, I'm only going to cover the outside of the bag. The inside of the bag, exactly the same on all three of them. You've got the meter panel, you've got a tool panel, you've got a pouch, you've got a zipper up here as well. All identical. So if you want to check out a loadout, I've got a loadout of a Tech MCT of some sort on my channel. You can go over the pocket layout, all that kind of stuff, just by looking at any of these bags. It's all the same. And if you want a review like that later, just put it in the comments and I'll try my best to make one of those as well. I'm just going to try to condense this video to the differences is what I'm trying to do. So here we got the outside of the Blackout Tech MCT. You've got a couple pockets, which is going to allow you to put like a, ink zaw, a couple screwdrivers, maybe a non-contact voltage tester. You've got a little bit of storage out here on the outside. Whereas on the Evo, you're not going to have that. You've got that on both sides. You have some outside storage pockets, and then you've also got a tape measure clip along with some D-rings, which is what your strap is intended to go on if you want to use that. We come over to the MCTP Infrared. That's where they added the pouches. That's what that P is on the bag. So you do still have some storage here in the sides as well, the same as what you would have on that Blackout. So you're keeping that kind of same storage. You're still keeping the tape measure clip that you can use right there, but you're also adding these meter pouches, which is what can house a meter, some tools, whatever it is that you want to do. I will say after running this, adding those pouches is really, really nice, having that extra space, but it is a significant size difference in the width of putting it in and out of your truck. So you got to take that into consideration. But that was a big upgrade whenever it went to the MCTP, is able to get that extra pouch that's on the side, give you a little bit more storage if you needed it. But now if we look at the side of the Evo pouch, that's where you're getting into the Evo system. You can see that right there written on this little piece right here. That's made specifically for the Evo pouch. You can slide that on there, slide it down in. It does get your little handle kind of hung on this sometimes. I have noticed that. That locks into place with the magnet. If you want to take it off, you just pull it out, slide it up, comes off. Super easy. A lot of people have been asking me, can you still run it on the MB5B, which is the same as this, or can you run it on the MCTP? The MP1 version slides in there, slides down, and is not hitting down here at the bottom or anything. So you could do that, but again, it's just making your bag a whole lot wider at that point. But it is capable of putting it in there. You're wanting to know that. Blackout version, not an option. You don't have that option to be able to do that. Now, what all else fits in here, I'm actually going to make another video of what other pouches or other things will fit onto these Evo sides. I'm going to do that in a separate video because there's quite a few things that I want to test out with that to ultimately see what works. I'm just going to do that in a total separate video. So now on both the MCTP and then also the Blackout, you've got a tape measure clip. This one, you don't really see it. You can clip a tape measure onto the Evo thing if you want to, onto that clip if you're not using it for a bag, or there is also a small slot down here as well that if you get the tape measure clip just right, you can put it on there. So you've actually got a couple places where you could stack some tape measures. And then the MCTP and the Blackout version have D-rings for your strap, whereas this has more of this rigid up here. I think they did that probably so this doesn't fold down and get in the way of you putting your pouch in and out. But again, like I showed you, I have had this already happen to me a few times, is whenever I'm going to put this on, my little handle catches on that and it doesn't go down all the way, which it actually magnetizes right there. It's not a big deal, but it does kind of hang up. But your straps can go on there. I know a lot of people run bit holders you know, like this on their D-rings and stuff like that, you can still obviously do that, because I don't run a strap on any of my MCT bags. They do come with them, but I don't run mine on mine, so this is just going to be open all the time. But that's that side. We come over to the other side, it's exactly the same. Same as kind of like all the other ones. The other side's a little bit of a mirror image, except for this side doesn't have a tape measure clip, but it also has an extra pocket or two, whereas the MCT is exactly the same, pretty much on both sides. Now let's get into what I call the small pocket side, which is the same on both. On the Blackout, you do have this little small pocket that's a little bit bigger, folds out, but you've got a small pocket up here, two small pockets here. We've talked about that in previous videos. There's not a lot of real good use for that out there, so I'm gonna move that one off to the side so I can get these into the picture. Here on the Evo, got this same small pocket. It is down a little bit further at least, so I think you could maybe hang some more stuff and it not be in the way of that. And then you've also got another clip here that you can put a tape measure on. So there's another option for a tape measure. I did check to see, let's say you want to run 3 Evo pouches. You've got the 2 on each side, you know, 1, 2. Can you put these inside of the small pocket? Yes, you can do that as well. And I probably had the question asked about it on the Tech MCTP as well. Can you put these in there? You can do that as well. So if you already own an MCT of some sort that's not the Evo bag and you want to buy an Evo pouch, you can clip it on some places on your other bags as well if that's what you want to do. But the Tech MCTP is more like the Blackout as far as the pockets. It's got the one with a little bit bigger, you know, pocket that folds out, small pocket. Other side, 2 small pockets. It's more similar to the Blackout, with the exception that it has all these little spots where you can run stuff through that on the side as well. Whereas the Evo has the small pocket tape measure clip, but here is the big difference between it and the other 2 bags, is that you've actually got a big pouch out here on the front. You can kind of see that there. Also another tape measure clip. Clip that on there. You still got a couple D-rings up here at the top, where you could put, you know, bit holders or whatever else you want to use on a D-ring. Open this up. Open this flap. You've got a couple different stretch pockets. Hopefully you can kind of see that down in there, that are mesh, that are kind of like, you know, spring back to help hold something. And then you've got a bigger spot as well. As far as the size of that pocket, you're looking at about 8 3/4 inches wide by, I'm going to call it 6.5 inches tall, but you could obviously put something a little bit taller in there and have this kind of up like that if you need to. And then we're going to call it, it's going to stretch too, but I'm going to say about 2 inches in depth. Just to give you a point of reference, like here is the standard size of like a mod box. So like here is a drill bit case. You've probably seen these at Lowe's. You can take that in there like this. Take a second one that size. They both fit in there pretty well, identical. Fold that down. You can do that. Now if you go to the next thing up, like a 65 400K, not going to go. It's just a little bit too wide, and then it's also way too tall, you know, that way. But if you don't care to leave your flap open and you just want to transport it like that, you can. By far the biggest differences, as I mentioned, handle's the same on all 3 of them. It's that newer handle that kind of a little bit beefier. The old Tech MCT had a lot more of a fabric style handle, whereas this one feels a whole lot beefier, and it easily folds, you know, back and forth that way to kind of get it out of your way if you need to. So main differences: front pouch, and then the Evo side pouch, where you're going to take your clip like this, or your pouch or your meter bag or whatever. It's made for that right there. Again, I'm going to have another video showing some other stuff that you could possibly put there. Those are the key differences, that if you're making a decision between these 3 bags, it's basically, do you want a bigger bag that has some pouches on the side, but it comes at that cost, it being a lot bigger footprint? This one is a little bit cheaper than all of them, but it doesn't have some of the capabilities to be able to clip on the side or this front pouch. But as far as inside, you know, they're all pretty much exactly the same. But there you go, guys. There is the Tech MCT Evo from Veto Pro Pack. Again, I haven't ran it yet as a bag. If you've got questions about it, I'm going to be talking about, you know, that MP1 Evo in this week's live. As far as it's going to be after I film this video. This video probably won't come out till after that. But I'm going to have the same thing. We'll talk about this in the next live. If you've got some questions, drop in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer it in that comment. But also, if it's something that I need to show, I can do that in a live video as well. But let me know in the comments below if you're excited about these Evo bags. Maybe you've already ordered one and you got one. How well do you love it? I'm interested to get that feedback. As far as I can tell, I really like this front pouch. It does make it a little bit bigger bag this way, the same as that MCTP is that way. The only thing that I'm right now curious about is how well this right here is going to hold up with it being plastic like that. I don't know if they made it plastic because they didn't want you to have to fight the, magnets from the pouches going in and out, but this doesn't feel real substantial to me. And then you sliding it in and out of a truck, if you don't have something on it and it catches on something, I'm going to be curious to see how this holds up over time. But it's still a very nice looking bag. It's kind of got that mixed look of the old school Veto of this color and the brown, but a mix of that Blackout with all this black built in, kind of like the CBLD. If you've gotten that bag for free, it's got that kind of a look to it. But again, I haven't ran it yet. I plan to do a loadout maybe later on after I put some use into it. Kind of move my tools around in a little bit, see how well I like it. But ultimately, I just wanted to give you guys this feedback in case you're kind of wondering what bag do I want to buy out of these three or out of any of the Tech MCTs. Maybe this will help you make that decision. But hope it was helpful. As always, you guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.